It's going to be a good day tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Going to be there at 8 o'clock in the morning. So we're leaving here probably about 7 and heading straight down there. First of all, there's been a few little birdies making themselves at home. You see that? Yep. And here. And here. Filthy little fuckers. Alright, so while I was out the other day having my first flight on the Mavic Air drone from DJI, I did find that it was a little bit hard to get the settings right, keep it cinematographic while trying to keep the exposure right. So I've gone right ahead and purchased myself some polarized ND filters, only up to 16, that's all I need. Midday flying you probably want a 32, but I'm hoping with the polarizer that I probably won't need that much. Nice little set, you can see that. Nice little bit of glass. I'm just going to put the 8 on it, mid-range. Should be okay for the morning. Just screws onto there, straight on. I've just taken the other one off, you might have just seen me do that. And this one just screws straight on. Be careful to get it in straight. Alright, that's it. She's on. And obviously before you go out to fly, you check on the control and you just adjust that left and right to the darkness of the polarizer or whatever it is. And then you should get some better footage so it's not all blown out, and you can keep the cinematic frame rate, which is going to apply that tomorrow. Comes really nice little case, these things. I keep the controls separate, so I'm guessing these can just go straight in their little ComDom thing.